right, let's talk about your forecast right now because it is hot, it is humid, and so much so today is a first alert weather day.
First alert weather day, and Ron has a lot to get to when it comes to the forecast. Just how hot are we going to get, Ron?
Yeah, 92 is what we're looking at for our high temperature today. That's why we had the heat advisories that are in place. You can see them right here. These go all the way up until 8 o'clock today. It's easier, even though technically the heat advisory gets going a little bit later this morning. It's easier just to say, hey, all day long today, it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid, it's going to be sticky out there. We do have a small rain chance. The last time, about 30 minutes ago, we had a very isolated shower around the Uniontown area. Not enough at this point to even go in and check in on that. It looks like pretty much everywhere it's dry right now. We'll continue to have that rain chance today. So a lucky few folks out there. These are going to be very isolated, the showers that we're going to be dealing with. And if you see some of this rain, it might be just enough early afternoon, sticking around for an hour or two to keep those high temperatures for you out of the 90s. Pretty much everyone else, so you're going to be flirting with 90 degrees. You'll be very close to that 90-degree mark for your high temperature. And in fact, in the Pittsburgh area, have us hitting 92 today for a high. We hit 90 degrees yesterday. Should be hotter than that today. There will be that isolated chance for some storms today as well. Here's the forecast how I think things break down. 9 o'clock, 80 degrees, 88 at noon. Your 3 o'clock temperature there at 91, and 6 o'clock also at 91 degrees. High temperatures again should be up there near 90 degrees, right at 90 for most communities, and places like Pittsburgh and over into Beaver will have the best chance. Normally those are the areas that we see the hottest temperatures at. They'll have the best chance for seeing, unfortunately, those 90s. You can see the Gulf Tower there in red. It is a first alert weather day, 74. Your temperature right now, the winds are calm. The dew point's all the way up to 71. It's a tropical air mass that's in place today. It is very humid outside, one of the more humid days that we have seen so far this summer. Here's those temperatures for you now. Number of places are already into the 70s, so little relief from the heat is what we're getting. Your muggy meter is going to show very sticky conditions both today, Wednesday, and notice what happens on Thursday. We get a cold front that comes through, and that mugginess, the humidity, basically falls off a cliff. It dives down into the comfortable range by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I know a lot of folks are ready for that. Here's just a quick model data of what we can expect on Thursday. While it looks like the morning hours should be dry, we'll start to see as soon as we're heading into the afternoon, rain showers, a couple of thunderstorms, could have some severe weather with some strong wind speeds on Thursday with the storms passing through ahead of the cold front. 92 today, 92 your Wednesday high, and then look at what happens. It'll still be humid on Thursday most of the day. Just a high of 79 degrees, and then we're down there in the 70s for highs Friday and Saturday, back to the 80s heading into next week.